Picture this, your couch dressed to the nines, draped in a woven masterpiece alive with colors, textured fringes, and your bold custom design. This isn't just a blanket, it's your home's fashion runway moment. It's a cozy revolution where high art meets unrelenting comfort, making your space as unforgettable as it is warm. Right now, this Printify product is turning heads in the print-on-demand market. Want to know why? Stick around as we explore what makes this throw blanket special and how you can create designs your customers will love. A throw blanket isn't just for warmth. It's a versatile decor item that adds style and coziness to any room. Imagine curling up in a reading nook with a cup of tea, your woven blanket draped over a chair, or adding a splash of personality to a minimalist bedroom. And don't feel limited by tradition. While throws are perfect for couches, beds, and armchairs, some customers even hang them on their walls as statement pieces. It's all about expressing creativity, so you do you. These blankets are woven from 6 yarn colors: red, blue, green, gold, white, and black, that magically combine to create 195 unique shades. This intricate process recreates your designs and photos in stunning detail. It's craftsmanship like this that makes each blanket a functional work of art. Every thread is a testament to quality and style, making these blankets stand out in any space. Crafted from 100% cotton yarn, these blankets are breathable, warm, and designed for everyday use. Colorful fringe edges add a charming finish to every piece. Choose from 3 sizes: 52 by 37 inches, perfect for kids, pets, or a small armchair; 60 by 50 inches, the go-to size for standard couches or beds; 80 inches by 60 inches, ideal for California king beds or creating an oversized, cozy vibe. And pro tip, unlike bedding, throw blankets are meant for partial coverage and decoration. Think cozy accents, not full body warmth. When it comes to decoration, woven blankets are 2 distinct design options. The first is photo variant. This option is ideal for photographs and photorealistic imagery as it captures subtle color gradations and fine details beautifully. However, it's not recommended for bold or graphic artwork. The colors in such designs may appear muddled or less vibrant due to the weaving process. Then you have the artwork variant. This is best suited for designs with solid, distinct color blocks. This option enhances clarity and sharpness, making it perfect for bold and separated color patterns. Avoid using photographs with this variant, as it can lead to patchy areas and unnatural transitions between colors. Keep in mind that graphic designs can be challenging to produce on woven products, as the weaving process may alter the final look. To achieve the best results, focus on 3 key elements: color selection, gradients, and resolution. For more detailed guidance, download this handy PDF guide from the product creator and ensure your designs shine on this unique medium. When selecting colors for your design, stick to shades that closely match the palette provided in the guide. Avoid vibrant, neon, or extremely bright yellow tones, as these colors tend to appear softer and more muted in the final product. This is because the weaving process replaces any colors outside the palette with the closest available match, resulting in a limited color range. For the best results, prioritize bold color transitions or solid colors over gradients. While gradients and subtle transitions look appealing on screens, they often don't translate well to woven products and can lose their intended effect. Since woven products are typically designed to be large, whether as blankets or wall decorations, they're meant to be appreciated from a distance. Fine details may not look sharp up close, but are less noticeable when viewed from afar. If your design includes text, choose large, bold fonts for better readability. Intricate or small text details may not reproduce accurately in the final product. In general, it's best to avoid large areas of solid color. Instead, opt for artwork or photos with busier backgrounds where fine details aren't so critical. Remember, the size and intended viewing distance of woven products make them perfect for bold, impactful designs. Woven blankets have bestseller potential written all over them. Whether they're draped over a couch, hung on a wall, or used for photo shoots, these products are a hit with customers. If you love these blankets, why not let your designs thread their way into your customers' hearts with embroidery?